This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear the browser's cache on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Edge here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To clear your cache, you want to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Privacy Search and Services and click on Privacy Search and Services. Then on the center pane, right down here, Clear Browsing Data, Clear History, Passwords, Cookies, and more from this profile. Click on Clear Browsing Data. And right up top here, it says Clear Browsing Data Now. There's a button off to the right side that says Choose what you want to clear. If you click on that, a little dialog box will open up at the very top. You want to select a time range. Do you want last hour cleared, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time? You would choose one of those. Then down below that, you have a little drop down here where you can pick and choose what you want to clear. Do you want to clear your browsing history? You uncheck it if you don't want to clear that. Check it if you want to clear that. Do you want to clear your download history? Do you want to clear cookies and other site data? Do you want to clear cached images and files? I'm going to scroll down a little further. It gives you some more options here. Do you want to clear autofill form data, site permissions, all data from previous versions of Microsoft Edge? You would select what you want. You go down to the bottom and you click on Clear Now. That is how to clear your cache in the Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.